Hi guys, I'm back. I had some time today to clean out the green buckets I showed you earlier in the kratky system. Is that going to be a good place? So I have cleaned them out. That sounds really funky because my phone is hot. Sorry. I have cleaned them out with a produce brush that I had in the kitchen. I'll get a new one for scrubbing out produce. But the bucket is cleaned out. I added a little bit of pH down earlier because my pH was a little high. And this is just straight water right now. So we are sitting at 5.6. We want to be around 5.5 to 6.5. So we are good for now. Then I will take my nutrients. This is Master Blend for tomato and vegetable formula. I am getting teaspoons so that this is a more accurate measurement and I'm not playing guessing game because 1 tablespoon is 4 teaspoons. So I'm kind of just guessing at 1/4 of this spoon. And then this is CalMag. And again, just guessing at 1/4 of the spoon. And then, put that back so it doesn't get dirty. We will stir it up. And I just had an old PVC pipe laying around from putting together our waterworks for the garden and the trees. So that's my stirring stick. And then we will take our pH meter, see where we're sitting. We are low now, but let's see where our TDS is. TDS, the lowest we want to be is 14 parts per million, and we are just about there. Okay, so I will add a little bit of pH up. Now, you want to be careful if you're adding pH adjusters after you put the nutrients in. You can make the nutrients fall out of solution. I haven't had to add enough yet that is the case, but just be aware, check your ppms again after you get your pH where you want it. Or you can mix the pH adjustment in a different bucket and add it. That is the safer bet. I don't currently have an extra bucket to do that in. But like I said, I haven't had an issue, so I continue doing my method that is advised against. And we are 5.1, so still a little on the low side. We'll try again. Just a little bit in the cap. This is why I need that teaspoon that I am picking up today. So I am not guessing using my cap or my spoon. And then I won't have to do all of these adjustments afterwards because I'll have the pH right the first time. Before I add the nutrients, there is a handy little app on Android, and I'm sure they have similar on iPhone. It's called Groots, kind of like the Groot in the movie. And you just tell it what you have planted. So this one would be a macaroni pepper. And then it reminds you to check your waters, and you plug in what your parameters are, and it says you're high, do this, you're low, do this, you're just right, you're good, go have fun. So, Groots is that app. I have found it nice and useful. 596. We are between 5'5" and 6'5". And we are 6. It's jumping around. Hold on.
Hey, Mom.
I am on a video. Can you give me a minute? Okay, I am. We're going to turn it off and turn it back on. It doesn't like all the movement. Okay, that's good. Then I just take this guy and I put him over here. It's a nice thing about having, and you want to make sure that your roots are in the water, because if he's not in the water, he's just going to dry out. Am I low enough, high enough to be in the water? I'm going to have to top that one off. I am not high enough to be in the water. So it's a good thing I remembered to point that out to you, because I would have forgot to check that one. The rest are really, really full, so we are good to go on them. Thanks for joining me.